As regards the content of an award, like the form requirement, it is dependent on the arbitration agreement and the law governing the arbitration agreement. Arbitration agreements usually provide that the award is to be final and binding upon the parties. It follows that the award should deal with all matters referred to arbitration insofar as they have not been dealt with by an interim or partial awards. However, arbitration agreements rarely go on to decide the content of the award. The nearest they get is to incorporate a set of arbitration rules. Such rules invariably also provide that the award should deal with such matters as the cost of the arbitration, like Ancestral Rule, Article 38, and the payment of interest.
The next requirement we'll be looking at is qualification. So an arbitrator's appointment may be challenged if he or she does not possess the qualification that is agreed by the parties. So disqualification or challenging the appointment of an arbitrator on the basis of their qualifications only arises if the parties make it an issue.
Arbitrability is nothing but the question of whether a particular dispute may or may not be settled through arbitration. The issue of arbitrability involves a very simple question of what types of issues can and cannot be submitted to arbitration, and also whether specific classes of issues are exempt explicitly from arbitration proceedings. Well, in addition to whether the contract provides for arbitration of the issues in dispute, there is a very particular question whether the applicable law, it's the law chosen either in the contract or by the choice of site of arbitration.